What's up, guys? This is Walker with the Car Guys YouTube channel, and we have a 2022 F250 LARIAT with the trimmer package. I personally love the trimmer package. I have it on my 21 Ranger. It's been awesome, but we'll talk about that in a moment. And starting with your front end with this Super Duty, you do have your chrome grille, and you notice you do get that 360 camera with that front camera there. You do get your tow hooks, and you do have your auto beam headlamps with the fog lights as well. You do get your 18-inch gloss black rims with the 35-inch all-terrain tires. And you notice from the side, yes, this does have the 6.7 power stroke. It's awesome. The diesels, I wouldn't pick any other engine. Coming around to the side here, you do notice your trimmer badging. Let everyone know you do have the off-road special F250. And looking in the back, you do have your different tie downs. I'm sure this has the box light system. And from the back, you do have your backup camera, your backup sensors, your tow hitch, and your 4 and 7 pin connectors. Very nice look for a very nice truck in this beautiful iconic silver color. And moving to the interior, we're going to go ahead and look in here. It is the black ONYX leather color, and you do have those wood accents as well. So different lighting options. You've got your telescopic steering column. And then this is actually a customer's vehicle that he purchased today, so I wasn't able to turn it on, but I did want to show you guys the interior. That's going to be your 12-inch Sync 4 screen. And you are going to have your locking rear diff with the 4 low, 4 automatic, and 2 high as well. So check out this interior glove box. Plenty of space for what you need to store. Special trick here. So slide this thing over, double your cup capacity. It's great. So your wireless QI charging pad, and also the inputs for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So checking out the back here, plenty of space for your crew members. No one's going to be complaining about not having enough space. And you've got the moon roof or the sun roof for these nice sunny days in Statesboro, Georgia. Different charge points in the back. And guys, I think that wraps it up for this vehicle. I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And guys, we will see you in the next video.